Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove Family Link from Google account PC. So let's get straight into it. Start by opening a new internet browser on your laptop, and in the search bar here, just type Google Families, like so. And then click on the top search result, which should be families.google.com/families. So this will take you to your family group dashboard here. So from here, click Get Started to see your family group members. And then just locate the profile listed as supervised member, which has the family link attached. So click the profile and then select the Learn More link in the top right corner here. And then just scroll down to the section about removing someone from the family group. And then just look for the option to remove a supervised child here. And as you can see here, according to Google, you must delete the child's account if they are under 13 and if you created their account when they were under 13 and are responsible for their continued use of Google services. So now we're just gonna exit the help section and go back here. And then from here, just go to family sharing and under it, tap on family link here, like so. So in this section, sign in using your Google account credentials by tapping sign in at the top right here. And once signed in, go to account settings here and then tap account info. And then from here, select delete account. And doing so will take you here. So before deletion, ensure you've removed the account from any connected devices like Android or Chrome OS and just follow Google's guide on removing accounts from devices, as failure to do so may make those devices unusable. So just take their required boxes to confirm your understanding of the deletion process, and afterwards click Delete Account to finalize the removal of the family link. And after that, it's done. So that's how to remove family link from Google account PC. So I really hope you found this video useful. If you could give us a like and subscribe, we would really appreciate it. Catch you guys in the next one.